Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is me Priya, and I am back with another video for the week, and this is going to be a long video most probably. So yes, grab your tea and then settle down for the video. And for all those who are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe my channel, and please do not forget to click on the notification bell as well, so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to know. So by the title, you must have guessed it by now that it is going to be a haul video, and most specifically it is a Meesho haul video. So I have bought few things from Meesho over the time. So this is a disclaimer that I haven't I haven't ordered all this at one go. So I have ordered it over like a couple of months. So here I am showing it all to you, because now I guess I have a good amount of orders from Meesho to share it with you. So this won't be a try on haul video, because I haven't bought all the items from Meesho for myself. Some of it is for me, some of it is for my sister, and a few of them are for my mother. So that's why I can't do a try on haul, because then I need to make them do the video as well, which I can't. So yes, this will be a normal haul video. And for the pricings, I'll leave a screenshot here and the original prices on which I bought these items, so that will be also mentioned here on the screen, and all the links and all the product codes will be in the description box, so do not forget to check out if you like any of the pieces. And to my knowledge, all these items are still available on Meesho, so grab it. So without any further ado, let's see what my first item is. So the first item here is a kurta set. It comes with a kurta, which is like a narkali kurta, and a dupatta. So here it is. So it looks like this. This is the top portion. This is the yoke portion of the kurta, and then it goes till down like this. And it also has something to tie here. So this is the kurta, and then it comes with a dupatta, which is like this. It has a print all over. So it is not a rubber print or something. It is like a proper cloth print, so it doesn't get off. And this all has been already used and washed, so you can see the used results and get a fair idea for the product. So this one was bought by my sister, and she got it for herself in the size XXL, though it is mentioned XXL here, but it is kind of L. So sizes are a bit bummer on Meesho, because you need to be very accurate with the sizings, and in my suggestion, try to go one size up. That will be really beneficial, especially if you are in a plus size section. So it will be advised to go 1 or 2 sizes up. So there is one thing in this haul, that there are mostly Indian items. I guess hardly there is one dress, which is I'm going to show it to you next. And I got this dress because I had to go on a trip and I just wanted a new dress, so I got it. And I'm sorry, the dress is pretty crumbled because it has been washed and I couldn't iron it. So yes, however, I'll share a screenshot of the original product here on this side, so you get a fair idea. And this is the dress. So it is a rust brown color dress, and it looks something like this. It has a wooden finish buttons, and it goes up to knee length. It's little below knee. And for the sleeves of this dress, the sleeves are this size, and it goes up to your elbow. It is a weird sleeve size, I would say, because I prefer mostly either like short sleeves or to the 3/4. It is somewhere in the middle. So yeah, it is a weird sleeve length, but it's fine because the dress quality is pretty great. It's a rayon material dress, and I haven't tried this color earlier, so I just thought of trying it now, and it was good. And here, if you see this button, these are not openable buttons. These are all sewed, and at the end here in the bottom size, you see a little cut. So this is not an openable dress. it is like sewed till the end and a slight opening at the bottom side of the dress. So I guess that explains the dress type. Moving on to the next items, I got these two items together because these two were from the same seller and these are basically the same designs just in different colors. So I got two of it for my mom, and those two things are these. So I got these two kurtas. They were not in combo, but I bought it together because they were from the same seller. So the first kurta from the seller is this one. This is a Firozi color kurta and I got it in, I guess, double XL or triple XL size because this is for my mom, and the sizing for the plus size section is bit off with Meesho. However, the material for the cloth is very nice. It's a kind of cotton mixed with some other material as well, but it is very comfortable while wearing, and they have this detailing here. So they have this design panel going on from the top to the bottom of this kurta, and it is a normal length kurta like how we have usual kurtas, nothing much fancy, and it is just for a daily wear purpose, and I guess my mom likes it because she wears it a lot. And along with this comes the second kurta, which is this. So this is a similar kurta like I showed you earlier, the Firozi one, and ye uska bhai hai because they both are like very similar. It is a plain maroon color kurta with a design panel in the middle going on from the top to the bottom with these 3/4 sleeves, and these are my favorite sleeve lengths because they are very comfortable. And the material for this kurta is similar to the Firozi color kurta, like cotton mixed with some other clothing material. I really don't know what that other material is because I'm not a cloth expert. I just love shopping few things. So I got these two kurtas together from a same seller. So the next thing I bought from Meesho was a kurta set, and it is an anarkali kurta, yellow anarkali kurta with its plazo and dupatta. So the kurta looks something like this. It is a very bright yellow and it is like an anarkali kurta, and you can see it at the bottom. So it is like an anarkali kurta, and the length is pretty long. It goes up to your ankles. At least for my mom, it goes up to her ankles, and then with this you have this plazo, and the plazo is nothing special. It is just a white plain plazo, so nothing much, but the material is very soft. It's rayon. Both the kurta and the plazo, they both are in rayon material. So in my opinion, rayon is pretty comfortable and it is a very soothing clothing material, so it doesn't give you itches and all, and good for summer. And this kurta set also comes with a dupatta which looks something like this. So the dupatta is very pretty, and in this whole set, this dupatta is my favorite. I'm going to steal it from my mom very soon. So I'm not going to open the whole dupatta because then it will be a hassle for me to fold it again. Yeah, I need to do it. But the dupatta is very nice, and it has this tassels attached to it, and these tassels are attached on like the whole side of the dupatta. The downside of getting things from Meesho is like there is only one downside which I could feel after ordering so many things, is that their dupatta length is pretty off. So yeah, I mean they are not very short but not the actual length as well. It is somewhere in the middle. So yeah, that's one downside I felt. Apart from that, the quality, the material, everything is very nice. Now moving on to the next item, it is again a kurta set for my mom, and it is a beige off-white color kurta set with certain floral designs on it in red and green. So the kurta looks something like this. It is a very pretty kurta. The print is like a foil print and it has a chance of coming off. I'm not very sure, though it hasn't come off till now. It has been washed twice or thrice, and I must say among all my orders, this is my favorite kurta. and I am planning to buy this one in my size as well. And the size I ordered, it doesn't say XL, double XL or anything. It says size 50. So it must be double XL or triple XL. So I got it in plus size basically, and it looks like this. I hope I'm able to show it. If not, then I'll surely attach a screenshot here so you get a fair idea for the item, how it looks in exactly. So this kurta comes with a palazzo and a dupatta, and the dupatta for this kurta is my favorite because the length is amazing. It comes with a palazzo which is like this. It is also an off-white beige color palazzo, and it has these designs like these. It has these designs at the bottom of the palazzo. This design is similar to the design on the kurta to match it. And then it comes with a dupatta, and the dupatta is something like this. I am sorry, it is very crumbled because it has been washed and I just couldn't iron it. So this dupatta is a pretty sheer type of dupatta. It is, I guess it is a chiffon material, I'm not very sure. And it also comes with this print. So it has a similar print just like the kurta all over the dupatta. So it makes a very good pair with the kurta, palazzo and then this dupatta. And my mom looks adorable in this dress. So let's move to my next order, which I did for Rakhi. Next 3 items I got specially for Rakhi, and I'm going to share it with you. So the first thing I got is for my mom, and it is again a kurta set. It is a beautiful color and it looks so good on my mom. It is a foil print. It is a foil print kurta set. There is this design panel in the middle, and it goes up to her belly, and it has a tie thing here. It has something to tie, and with this hanging. So it looks very pretty, and it is an anarkali, not so much of gher. So this anarkali doesn't have a very large ghera, but it is still pretty decent, and it has a border like this. The border looks something like this, and it has a white and golden print on it. This kurta comes with a palazzo, and the palazzo is also similar to the kurta, and it comes with the same color, same print, and with the same border, and it has a same color print on it with the white and golden. So along with this kurta and palazzo comes its dupatta, and its dupatta is the prettiest. So as you see, this is the dupatta for that kurta, and it comes with this gota patti border. This is the gota patti border, and a similar print on it for white and golden. It is a foil print. This is also in, I guess, it is similar to cotton material, and it feels more like cotton mixed with rayon. Now moving on to one of my favorite purchases, which is again a kurta set, and I got it for Rakhi, not for me but for my sister. So I got it for my sister. It is in yellow color, and of lately I am liking yellow color a lot. So I was planning to get this for me, but then I got it for my sister. So in my opinion, this dress is a steal, because for the price I paid for this dress, I got a very good material with the exact same design, and I was looking for this design since so long. I saw this one on another website as well, but it was a bit pricey there, and this one was not that pricey, and yet I was getting the same material, same design and same everything. So I just went for this one. The kurta looks something like this, and it has like silver foil print on it with this mandarin collar, and it has these silver detailing, silver beads and silver gota detailing here, and it goes up to the belly portion, and then it is a slightly A-line kurta, and at the border, bottom border, it looks like this. It also has silver gota border here with the same silver foil print. And this kurta comes with its own palazzo and its dupatta. So dupatta is very simple. It is a normal chiffon dupatta with just these silver detailings on the border, and there is nothing much about this dupatta. It's plain all over in yellow color, and it's very light. So yeah, it's a very lightweight dupatta, and that's the plus point. And the palazzo for this kurta is like this. So it is a normal palazzo in the same color, in the same pattern as the kurta, and just like the dupatta and just like the kurta bottom, the palazzo bottom also has the silver gota detailing. And I got this set in size XXL, and yeah, it fits my sister very well and she loves it too. And that's yay. So the next item will be the last clothing piece for this haul, and it is another kurta set, but this one is for me. And before this one I got another kurta. I'll attach a picture here, but it somehow didn't look good on me. The fit was very off, though I got it in my size, but still the fit was pretty off, and the kurta was just touching the floor all the time because I'm very short still. So I didn't like it much. I returned that and got this one instead. So this is a white kurta with dark pink print all over it. So the print is very sturdy. The print is good. It doesn't come off easily, and it also has this gota patti work, silver gota patti work all over. And it has this gota patti work till the yoke region, and below that it looks just like a normal anarkali with these huge designs. And the border for the kurta is like this, again with the silver gota patti work and these designs. And this kurta has the best sleeve length, which is this 3/4 sleeves, and I love 3/4 sleeves. These are the most comfortable sleeve lengths. And the sleeve end is also like this. It comes with a silver gota patti border, and I just love it. Along with all these detailings, this kurta also has a tie thing on this side. So yeah, it has something to tie, and at the end of this tie thing is this cute latkan, cute hanging. I like it. It also has a gota patti detailing over it. So yeah, that makes it more cute. So I got this one in the size M. I got it in M for myself, and in my opinion it looks good on me. Yeah. So this kurta comes with its own palazzo and dupatta. So the palazzo for this kurta is like this. It is a normal cotton palazzo with prints all over it, and nothing much fancy. There is no gota border going on. It's this simple fabric all over with pink designs similar to the kurta. That's it. And along with this palazzo, it comes with its own dupatta as well, and that's great. The dupatta of this dress is also pretty similar to the kurta, and it is this whole white dupatta with pink designs over it, like this. So there is no gota patti work going on here on the dupatta as well, which is very good, because gota patti works on dupatta makes me very irritated because they just like itch your body here and there. So not my cup of tea. So that's why I'm glad there is no gota patti work in the dupatta. Apart from that, the dupatta is very pretty. Same issue again, which is with the length of the dupatta, but it's doable. I can work around with this length. Nothing major issue with the length. It's fine. However, I wish the dupatta was a little longer. If I get some more items from Meesho, I'll definitely share it with you all. So these were all the items I got from Meesho, and do let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite piece, and if you want to buy any of it, I'll mention the product code in the description box. Do check out and let me know if you got any of these. Before going out of the video, do not forget to click on the like button, Do comment down if you want me to do any other kind of haul or any other kind of challenge, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Do click on the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first one to know. And do not forget to take care of yourself, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, tada!